So we have the same data, x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y is actually generated by y equal to ln x, and we are going to estimate y when x equal to 4.5 using Newton divided difference. If you use Excel, will be much faster rather than you calculate one by one. So I mean, if you use Excel here, for example, you just need to key in the F01, F02, F03, F04. Make sure you key in the formula correctly, then you can copy down the formula. Normally it will give you the general formula for Newton divided difference will be Fi superscript j equal to Fi plus 1 j minus 1 minus Fi j minus 1 divided by Xi plus j minus Xi. Means the current Newton divided difference depend on the previous level of the Newton divided difference. So that's why you see the superscript. You want to calculate Fi at level j is depend on the level j minus 1. And then you are going to calculate at row I. Here this one row 0 is actually depend on I plus 1, mean row 1, on the row 1 of previous level of Newton divided difference minus current row of the previous Newton divided difference. So that's why for numerator is normally you just depend on the previous column, and then you take the bottom row, deduct the top row, divided by and if you use Excel, you have to make sure you have a bracket. Divide is backslash, denominator also bracket. Denominator is normally you confuse a bit, which is how you get the the denominator. When you have Fij will be the x, take I plus j. So xi plus j minus xi. So using this one, then you can you just need to put out the formula for row 0 only, and you can copy down the formula, and Excel will is actually has the ability of relative row, means they will follow the pattern of the row. So for here, that you just key in. You have to key in any formula in Excel. Type in equal. Then the numerator you have two terms, so make sure you put up a bracket. So F01. I'll put it first formula for you to see. F01 means the F0 at the first level is actually depend of F1 previous level F10 minus F00 divided by 0 plus 1, we have a x1 minus x0. So you make sure you just key in the first value here correctly. F10 is this value, so minus click at the F00, close the bracket. Denominator also make sure a bracket. Denominator will be x1, click x1 minus x0. Sorry, x1 is here. C C4 minus C3. So you notice each cell in the Excel is actually labeled by column followed by rows. So if you use a spreadsheet menu in the classic calculator, it follows actually mean the way you key in the formula is actually follow Excel. You have the column label followed by the row. And then you just copy it down. Oh, because I accidentally press the thing. So you can see quickly you get the value for first level, and then second level F0 2 will be F1 at first level minus F0 at the first level. okay, divided, okay, 0 plus 2. Now it's a x2 minus x naught. Okay, so you key in the formula. So previous column, next row, minus, okay, previous column, current row, okay, divided, okay, denominator, make sure bracket, okay, so it's x number 2, okay, okay, row 2 indicate by the I, okay, I here, so it's a, okay, value is 3 C5 minus x naught. Okay, then I just copy it down. So you see, okay, the level 0 or the initial y value, we have 5 data, level 1 lesser, so 4. Yeah, because I copied the formula. Okay, so done. And then you go to calculate F 0 level 3. You'll be, okay, F1 level 2 minus F0 level 2. Okay, divided 0 plus 3 will be x3 minus x naught. Okay, then just click in the corresponding cell. Okay, my top, okay, minus, okay, bottom minus top divided by, okay, F03 is a x number 3 minus x naught. Okay, enter. Okay, and then so F04 be F1 at level 3, F0 at the third Newton divided difference minus 0 plus 4. This will be x4 minus x naught. Okay. So take the previous, okay, column, next row, minus the, okay, the same row divided by, okay, x number 4 minus x naught. Okay, and here I didn't round anything, so it take up all the decimal place. So of course will be, okay, different, slightly different answer with what we calculate just now, where we using calculator we fix at 4 decimal place. Okay, so now, okay, to estimate F 4.5, I just put it to estimate this F 4.5. Okay, according to this formula, okay, F 4.5 mean, okay, according to, okay, the formula F 4.5 approximate to P 4, if I up to 4, so this is a P4x equal to, okay, F naught 0. Okay, F naught 0 is like, okay, mean the F naught, okay, look at this formula, F naught 0 is actually, okay, where's the delete? Cannot delete. I cannot delete. I just write F naught 0, okay, plus, okay, level 0, okay, didn't multiply anything, so F0 1 multiply one term, which is x minus x naught, okay, plus, okay, if F0 2, okay, level 2 multiply two term, which is x minus x naught, x minus x1, okay, plus third level, okay, third level of Newton divided difference, so x minus x naught, and then you have actually x minus x1, x minus x2, okay, up to the fourth level, so it's x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. Okay, compared to this general formula. So, okay, 0 level didn't multiply anything. First level multiply one term, second level two term. Okay, if up to n level you multiply, okay, up to x minus n minus 1. That's why fourth level up to x minus x3. So I mean fourth level 1, 2, 3, 4 term. third level 1, 2, 3, multiply 3 term, second level multiply 2 term, first level 1 term, okay, zero level didn't multiply anything. Okay, where the all the F node at level 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is actually the first row here, first row value. So to calculate quickly in Excel, you just identify the cell, click it. Okay. So F node 1 is here, multiply. Okay, your X is 4.5 minus X node. So click the cell of your X node. Okay, plus F02. So multiply is a star here. Okay, asterisk, click, okay. And then you have X is 4.5 minus X node time 4.5 minus X number 1. Okay, plus, okay, the third level. Okay, each time when we click, you see, okay, is that cell is highlighted. Okay, multiply. If you're lazy to retype, you may, okay, copy. Because in computer, you can copy. Control C. Okay, so third level, I need to multiply one more term. 4.5 minus, this is X node, X1, so multiply by X2. Okay, plus F04. Okay, multiply, okay, lazy to type, just copy this 3 term, Control C, and then Control V to copy, to paste, multiply. Fourth level, you have 4 term, X node, X1, X2, and then X, which is 4.5 minus X number 3. So we get here is 1.5071. Okay, compare the exact is what? Ln exact, okay, is equal, ln you key in ln, ln 4.5. Okay, want to see the absolute error. Okay, here I didn't round anything. ABS is the absolute value. Okay, take exact minus approximate minus exact, doesn't matter because take the magnitude. Okay, it's a 0.0030. Okay, if round to 4 decimal place is 0.0031. Okay, compare with just now if we use calculator because we fixed to 4 decimal place. Okay, if you want to, okay, let me open back in the calculator. Just now where's the answer? Okay, 1.5069, 1.5069. Okay, because here each of the Newton divided difference value is round, is take 4 decimal place. So you want to tally with the answer, but in here, in Excel here, if you didn't do anything, it take up all the decimal place. But just a display purpose, and because maybe not enough, I just display. If you increase it, oh, I think already. Okay, already, because this is 4, this is 4. Okay, let me do it. Round it to make comparable answer with your with what you do in calculator. I round to 4 decimal place. This thing. Okay, up. Five 5071 compared to here. Okay. Okay, in this one you get 1.5069. This is 50. Okay, if you round it, 5072. Run a little bit because some still not in 4 decimal place calculation. But of course, if you didn't round like what in Excel, it's more accurate actually, because it take up all the decimal place to calculate. Okay, I round. This is round to 4 decimal place. This one I round to 4 decimal place. Okay, so and here if you round, so if you round, okay, to 4 decimal place 1.5069, okay, exactly tally with what you calculate using calculator. Okay, because calculator, each value you write down mean you write down 4 decimal place. So mean you already round it using 4 decimal place. Okay, that's why, okay, your answer here, this is actually for all full 4 decimal place calculation. Okay, initially if I in the Excel here I didn't round anything, the answer is not 1.50, okay, is okay. If I just round it, the last step is actually 1.5072 because, okay, the Newton divided difference table there is not 4 decimal place. It take up more, okay, take out all the decimal place. That's why the answer is different. Okay, to make the same answer, okay, comparable answer, you have to, okay, if the calculator you round 4 decimal place, here you also round it 4 decimal place. Then you can see they have the same answer here. So this is using the Excel. Okay, if you use a spreadsheet calculator, let's see my calculator. Can I make it bigger or not? Small. I want to make it bigger. Hold on. This one cannot. Okay, this is a spreadsheet. It has it has limitation 5 column only. So for this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, not enough. So if 5 column, let's say I don't, okay, key in the I column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I make able to do until, okay, 3rd level only. So mean you, if you have only 4 data, then you can use, okay, the spreadsheet here. Okay, so let's say I can show you using this one. You just key in. Let's say I just use, okay, 4 data because not enough column. Here only 5 column, A, B, C, D, E, no more. 1, 2. Then I cannot key in the I column. I have X, Y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up to 3rd level Newton divided difference. So 1, 2. Yeah. This is 2, 3, 4. So up to 4. Okay, rows it have I think 45 rows. Column only 5 columns. This is 0 and then 0.6931, 1.0986, okay, 1.3863, okay, here. So, okay, in your, okay, calculator, the spreadsheet mode, okay, so you can only, if you have 4 data, then you still, okay, able to use this, okay, spreadsheet menu to calculate the Newton divided difference. If 5 data, okay, not enough columns, you can only calculate up to the 3rd level only. Okay, so the same thing, exactly this spreadsheet menu in the calculator is actually they actually copy the idea of, okay, spreadsheet in Excel. So, okay, to calculate, okay, but the row is actually start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you want to calculate the first value, okay, the F01, okay, F01, okay, F01. So it's the same thing, okay? But you see the equal is a red color, so you press alpha equal, then same thing, bracket. Okay, remember just now your F01, okay, F01, okay, let me see. Let me erase. Okay, your F01 here, you compare with a calculator here. This is in the column, oh sorry. This one in column A, this is B, C, D, E. Refer to the column in the calculator, A, B, C, D, E. And okay, the row actually start from 1. Row start with 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 row only. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the F01 is actually, you want to calculate this cell. Exactly, okay, will be the F10, which is in the calculator is B2. Mean this is a B2 minus, okay, B1. Okay, and the X1 is actually A2 minus A1. So you can see, okay, in Excel, you just go to that cell and click it, but in the spreadsheet, in calculator, you cannot click. You cannot click here, this cell. You have to key in, refer to that cell. So the F10 is stored in the cell, okay, column B, row number 2. So you type, okay, how to type B? The same thing as, so alpha B and then 2 minus alpha B1. Okay, and then divide. So bracket X, okay, X1 is stored in A, so alpha A1 is A2 minus A1, something like this. So you get 0.6931. So you compare with Excel just now, easily you no need to type in the formula, okay? You just click right. You see this cell, you click, but in the calculator, you have to key in the formula according to the cell location. Okay, and then in Excel just now, you want to copy, you click here, you at the right bottom cell, you drag down to copy, but in the spreadsheet menu, okay, how to copy, you click to here. So here, show back your formula. So to copy the formula, you click the options, okay, options, go down, copy and paste, number 2, copy, okay, and then you go down, okay, press down key, to paste you press equal. So you see it's not, then you go down, okay, you total got, okay, how many, okay, press it one more. So because we have only 4 data, so your first level up to 3, okay, and then once done, you AC2, okay. So you see it's the answer. So compared to Excel, okay, much easier to copy. Here you need to, okay, go to find where's the option copy and then you paste it. Okay, and then, okay, now move to calculate F02. Similarly, you key in the formula accordingly. So equal, okay, as I said, okay, so if you use a spreadsheet either in the calculator or in the Excel, okay, you just key in the first row, okay, the formula at the first row, and then you can copy it down. So column D actually depend on the column C, the next row, which is C2. So you click in. So C2, C2 minus C1, then divide. Okay, X is actually column A, so alpha A. Okay, and then the X number, okay, just now is A, so it's now you have a gap of 1 data, so A3 minus A1. Okay, second level you have a gap of 1 data, so it's A3 here minus A1, because we didn't key in the I column here. So your X, okay, for F02 is actually X2. X2 is actually stored in A3. A3 minus A1. equal. So you get here negative, okay, 0.143. Here, okay, actually use this one show the formula. If you want to show the cell, you can go to okay, here, shift menu, go down, sorry, just now the spreadsheet number 4. Okay, either you show the cell, okay, auto calculate, just show formula, okay, show value. So now, okay, you have the value. Okay, I want to show, okay, the formula. Shift the menu, go to find the spreadsheets, and then number 2, show back formula. So to copy it down against, okay, at the cell that you want to copy, press the options, and then you copy, go down, you press it. So this is a, okay, column A is X, column B is a Y, column C is a first, okay, Newton divided difference, column D is a second, Newton divided difference, okay, and then to escape the paste, press AC, okay, and then column E. You have only up to column E, so you can build until third level of Newton divided difference. Okay, so which is alpha equal. So I say column E depend on the previous column, which is column D. So alpha D. So the next row, which is 2 minus D1. Divide. Okay, X is stored in column A. So alpha A. Okay, for third level, okay, is X number 3. X number 3 because we start, okay, the row, okay, you see, so when you key in here, you cannot see. So X number 3 is actually stored in A4 because X node in the, okay, row in the spreadsheet is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a A4. A4 minus A1. So you get this value. So you can see this one, A4 minus A1. Here A3 minus A1. Here A2 minus A1. Okay, B is the initial, okay, Y value. And when you copy, okay, you see the formula initially B2 minus B1 divide A2 minus A1. So when you go down, the formula will actually, okay, they will follow the pattern, go down one row. Okay, in the calculator you cannot see, okay, it is highlighted. You see like here in Excel, you see now it's highlight this cell, this 4 cell. So when you copy it down, the formula actually move down one row. So this is what we call relative row. Okay, in Lagrange, when you copy the next column, okay, your formula initially in A, when you copy A, will become B, and so on. So this is using okay, I have shown you using the Excel. Okay, is a much easier, the easiest compared to, okay, for me, this one, the Excel is the easiest. Second one, maybe the Classic. Okay, use the spreadsheet menu in the Classic, but you have a limitation 5 column only. And then lastly is what you calculate manually just now, okay, one by one using the formula A minus B divided, okay, C minus D, one by one. Oh, I think almost left up the time for only Newton divided difference. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, if not, we're not enough time to, okay, continue the, okay, the cubic spline. We'll do the exercise. Okay, you want to, okay, doing the exercise 4 or go back to the exercise 2, 3 that haven't completed? Then to continue, do one question for Newton divided difference.
Exercise 4.
Okay, just pick up. Okay, I pick up one question first. Later on, I will send you, okay, the file. Okay lah. Take out. Let's say question X. Question X here, this is using Lagrange. Okay, you may try using the Newton divided difference. So you have four data. So if you have this case, if you have installed this calculator, four data, you may use this one. Try this. Okay, or you calculate one by one. So four data will up to third Newton divided difference. Because you have four data up to third. So and then if up to third, okay, means your data will be some sort. Cannot. Cannot. Some sort like here. If you have only four data, you see the yellow color only. Okay, if you have four data, so the I up to 3, okay, your Newton divided difference up to third level. So first level, okay, from 4 data, less 1 become 3. Second level, okay, sorry, so this one no. Okay, second level 2 data, third level only 1 data. Okay, I'll show you back the question. X is 0, 1, 8, 27. Okay, and then the Y is 0, 1, 2, 3. And then, okay, let's say estimate X is, just pick up 1.5. Okay, using this data, you estimate F, not right. Estimate, okay, F 0.5 using Newton divided difference. So you have, okay, 3 way up to you which one that you prefer. It's either you calculate using the calculator normal way using A minus B divided C minus D, okay, or you calculate using your Excel, or you calculate using the classwork, okay, the spreadsheet menu in the classwork, okay, calculator. 3 way up to you. Okay, have you copied down? Actually, I can just create a copy. Okay, I want to see. Okay. Okay, and if you using the Excel, okay, if you have complete your Newton divided difference table, you can just change the XY data. Your Newton divided difference value will be automatically changed. Why here? Because just now my Y is generated using the ln X. So I'm going to put back 01827 0123. Yeah? Y is 0123. 0, 1, 2, 3. And then this one don't have. I delete. This one don't have. Is it correct? The X is 01827. 01827. The Y is 0123. One shot, the Newton divided difference value is there. And here I already round it so that if you use calculator, the answer is tally. And then can you get this value? If you calculate, I think most of you like to calculate using calculator. Am I right? Do you prefer using Excel or using your calculator?
Excel. Excel is easier.
Yeah, but when somebody that I call to present the tutorial, most using calculator. Never mind. If you up to you. If you prefer Excel, then you just use Excel. If you already learn using the computer, just turn on your Excel, because each computer you have a Microsoft Office, right? So can you get this result? Because if you use Excel, once the formula is there, you change XY only. The Newton divided difference table is it contains the common formula. That's why it's automatically calculate. Now we want to calculate what's that? F. Let's say we want to estimate F 0.5. Yeah? To make it as a template, just now the X I key in one by one. If you want to make it as template, you can put in the X. You can design like software X. Now I want 0.5. Yeah? So F, this one I want 0.5. So just now the 4.5, you click to the location of the X that user can key in and make it as constant. To make it constant, you have a dollar in front of the column label and after the column label. So with this, I copy this cell C1 to replace all the 4.5 in the previous example just now. And you have to modify also that formula is up to the 4th level, but here the question is up to 3rd level, so I have to deduct to remove some of the term. So you see we don't have this term. So the H3, or here I can erase it. We get 0.5339. Compare back. Where is it? Just now. And the question says actually the fx actually generated by the cube. Mean it's actually x power 1/3 or cube root. So you can check with the exact solution. It's actually is this value, make it constant, cube. So power 1 divide 3. Am I right? Question. So big one. Compare the interpolate value x equal to 0.5, 3.5, and 18 with the corresponding value of fx. Correct? Let me see. Because okay, it's correct. Okay, the exact is this one. Okay, 0.5 cube root is actually power 1/3. So this is a f. Okay, it's 0.5. Let me see. Let me check. D3, E3. Okay, and then okay, if you use a Excel, let's say you want to estimate 3.5, you just change at this cell 3.5. So the F 3.5 is automatically calculate quickly in here. So mean here just now, or you want to calculate another value 18, then you just change 18 to here. So this is F18. But a very big value there. Okay, I put back. So okay, can you get let's say 0.5, change back to 0.5. Can you get this table?
Yeah, table is same.
Same, huh? And then the F 4.5, is it this value? I mean, if you calculate using calculator, if you have a taking the first row only, this is 0, and then you have 1, multiply, the x is 0.5 minus x naught is 0, so mean it's 1 times 0.5 only lah. To key in, you want to calculate, maybe you have better you write down. Erase first. Okay, so if you write down F3 0.5, 0.5, so will be this cell 0, and then this value 1 multiply x, which is 0.5 minus x naught, which is 0. Plus second level, which is negative 0.1071, okay, and then 0.5 minus 0, which is 0.5, okay, multiply 0.5, okay, minus 1. Okay, initially minus 0, minus 1. Okay, this is second level, okay, multiply 2 term. Okay, and the third level is 0.0038. Okay, multiply, okay, because 0.5 minus 0, you have 0.5, and then 0.5, okay, minus 1, they have 0.5 minus 8. Okay, and then it may seem, because not too short, okay, 0.5, okay, minus 1, this one is negative 0.5, negative 0.5. So this one is equal negative 7.5. Okay, and then you can calculate using the calculator. Okay, this is calculate using the Excel. Okay, so you have 1 times 0.5, which is 0.5, and then minus 0.1071 times 0.5 times negative 0.5. 0.5 minus 1, negative 0.5, plus 0.0038 multiply 0.5 multiply negative 0.5 multiply negative 7.5. So you get same. Okay, 0.5339. So once, okay, your template done, you can actually, okay, if you have the same data, let's say 4 data, but you have other, say, XY value, you just change the XY, okay, XY value, and your X here, the X here, the Y you are going to, the given the X value, it's, okay, what I mean here. Okay, now if you build for, this is actually for 4 data, so you have another question, okay, another question, then you just change this one, X and Y, and change this X. Then you can get, okay, what you are going to estimate at this X value quickly. Okay, times up. Okay, so Wednesday